And now on, we can use the official ChatGPT in our WhatsApp. And here's I'll show you how to do it. Right now, I'm in my Android phone. You can follow these same steps on your iPhone also. Go ahead and open the WhatsApp app. Now, we have to create a new contact. So tap on this plus icon to add a new contact and tap on new contact. And here, in this name box, you have to type here ChatGPT. And in country, here you have to select United States. So tap on the search country and type here United and select United States. And in this number field, you have to add this number. So make sure to add just like so. Make sure it's +1 800 242 8478 and then tap on save. And here, after saving, tap on message or in your chat list or contact list. Here you will find ChatGPT. Just open it, and this is the official ChatGPT AI assistant. Now let's go ahead and chat with ChatGPT. Tell me a joke. So this is how we can easily now use ChatGPT, official ChatGPT with WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.